Agent P, what do we got here?
Seems as though she died at 3 p.m. with a body temperature of 92 degrees.
Very nice. We should take another body temp an hour later. That way we can get a frame of how fast the body's cooling.
Seems like a good idea.
Let's do it.
It's 4 o'clock now. The body temperature is 90 degrees. Okay, so who are our suspects?
Given such a small amount of evidence, it's going to be very difficult to figure out at what time the body was killed.
Yeah, you're right. We only really know what time we got there, the temperature of the body, and then an hour later, the temperature of the body. So how are we going to find out which suspect murdered it?
Well, if we know that the body temperature was 98.6 degrees when it was killed, given a human's normal body temperature, and the 2 times in which we recorded, we'll be able to find, using Newton's law of cooling and a little bit of calculus, we'll be able to find the rate at which the body was cooling and the amount of time it took for the body to go from 98.6 degrees to 92. Therefore, find the time in which our suspect killed our victim.
Perfect.
To the lab we go.
So first, we start by solving the differential equation d big T over d little t equals kt minus 70. 70 being the initial room temperature. So if we take the integral of both sides, we get that the ln of t minus 70 equals kt plus c. So then t minus 70 equals e to the kt plus c. T equals a e to the kt plus 70.
So, in order to find A, we must set T equal to 98.6, which is the initial temperature of the body. Which therefore makes A equal to 28.6 degrees.
Right, so if A equals 28.6, then we get the equation that T equals 28.6 e to the kt plus 70. So now we still have these 2 variables that we don't know. So if we can solve these system of equations and solve for k.
So now let's solve the system of equations. So, while she's calculating, we will find that K is equal to negative 0.095. Perfect.
Awesome.
So,
Awesome. Now that we know k, we can solve the original equation using k here. And we get
T is equal to 2.75 hours.
So, since we found the body at exactly 3 o'clock, that means that he was murdered at 12:15.
Which means that Will Walker had just enough time to get back from lacrosse practice and kill our victim.
Let's get him!